This week, the crew from Seattle Tree Care heads over to Bellevue. We've got 2 trees removed from our property. It's overlooking Lake Washington.
I'm one of the arborist project managers here at Seattle Tree Care. I'm an ISA certified arborist, tree risk assessor, and municipal specialist. The property owner here called us originally to talk about removing some trees for a remodel project that they're working on. They had another arborist come out and do a full site assessment and retention plan for the project, and while we were here we were talking about kind of just the overall health and structure of a lot of the trees on site. So we were discussing long-term safety and maintenance responsibilities associated with the tree this close to the house, this size. You can see they've cut the deck previously to accommodate it, but unfortunately it doesn't really have enough root space and there's not enough water infiltrating the soil to keep maintaining the tree. So the homeowners made the decision that they'd prefer to remove the tree rather than prune it and continue maintaining it. And as it continues to grow, it'll continue having what we call an infrastructure conflict. We're experts in really tight removals like this where we've got something this close to people's homes. So we have a crane that's doing the removal with one of our very skilled teams of certified arborists. We'll take it out piece by piece from the top down, and then after that we're actually retaining the stump and we'll be cutting it to about where that red tape is to use as a planter. So once it's cut low, we'll hollow out the stump and then kind of repurpose it.
Alright, hit it up.
Be what you wanna be. Do what you wanna do. And if it sets you free, believe in only you. Yesterday is gone, forget about tomorrow, and the ceilings you see right through. Find the moment and make it. Write your headline and raise it to the sky. No one else can create it. Take your banner and raise it to the sky.
Alright, so I think I'm tied into the tree, double tying. Yeah, I'm gonna cut about chest level or so. A lot of branches, so it's gonna be tough to get a real deep V cut, but I'm gonna cut your side first, then my side.
Yeah, we'll have to talk weight here. I mean, I'm thinking 3,000.
All right, you got some tension.
I'm gonna put 3 on it, but I wouldn't be surprised if it's more.
Oh, you got 3K on it now?
Yeah, it looks heavy. I mean, you're cutting 20 DSH, like 18.
Yeah, it's about 20, yeah.
Ready when you are. Awesome, here we go. First pick of the day. Check the chart. We're good for line pull. Picking at about 44 feet. First pick of the day is always the most fun.
All right, train side cut.
Boy, these eagles keep flying by. That's cool. That chipper warmed up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. Backside cut. You're clear. Straight up. You're up more, up more.
Okay, cabling up.
There's only one way out. Inside a
Beautiful cat.
prison view. 10 whispers or a shout. Gunpowder if it's true. Smoke before the
Nice
fire.
cat.
No one else can slay the dragon sleeping inside of you. Find the moment and make it. Write your headline and raise it to the sky. No one else can create it. Take your banner and raise it to the sky.
Yeah, so cut those branches tight.
Not pruning cut tight, but past the branch collar tight. No nub.
Find the moment and make it. Write your headline and raise it to the sky. No one else can create it. Take your banner and raise it to the sky.
Unopened food. Come. Show me.
Hey, I'm Adam. We've got the cedar we're taking down here. Got a great view today. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a bunch of eagles flying around up there. I don't know if they're hunting, eating, mating, whatever, but it's kind of cool to watch while they're chipping the top of the tree I just sent down. So I made a V cut here, cut on the crane side first, and then this way, and ideally that should keep the butt of the log from swinging towards me. There's a lot of branches in here, so it's hard to get like a good angle on it, but yeah, I want these V's to overlap right here because we don't want any tabs left. We don't want to shock load the crane, so it's real important that we get a little overlap on that V. So I'm gonna attach some more chains right here, drop down, and we're gonna take another 30 feet or so of this tree. I've got the chains. All right, chains are on.
Okay, I'm gonna tension them, hands clear.
Fingers clear. All right, I'm gonna drop down, Peter.
Okay, so we're setting up for the second pick here. I'm good for 9.9, that's line pull. And looking up at the piece, I can see where Adam's at. It's gonna be all of, 4,000. So I'm gonna bring up some tension. Yeah, there's 3,600 on it now. And once he gets settled in, he's gonna go ahead and make the cut.
Well, this thing got fat quick.
So the last pick was 3,000.
6,000?
3,000.
3,000, that's it?
We'll aim for maybe this next one could be definitely in the 4 to 5 range. It's surprising though, it'll go to 6, 8 real quick.
All right, I'm about 20 feet down, Peter. I don't know if you can see. Branches are definitely much bigger now. Kind of like upper arm size, or at least my upper arm size, so that's pretty big. All right, so yeah, I'll go about chest level here. Outside. Oh, that's a big boy.
Okay, who knows how much that weighs? Okay, I hear 35 and I heard 55.
I'm gonna go 42.
Is Cameron gonna guess?
1 pound, go Price is Right rules.
After they skim a bunch of branches, I could put it right into the grapple.
Hold it there, Peter.
right now we're just gonna carve out a planting box basically out of this stump. We left it about 3 feet high. You know, it's Western Red Cedar. It smells real good. I like that it's hollowed out right here because that's gonna make my job easier. I'm just gonna bore into this thing, try to make it as flat as I can. You can see that I've kind of carved an outline of the bark. The client wants the bark retained, you know, that's just gonna make it prettier. And boring is it's a little tricky, especially at this angle. I can always stand on top of it like this, but it's, you know, when you're doing this all day, kind of, you know, puts a little stress on your back and all that. So I can do that for a little bit on, you know, the deeper angle cuts, you know, going more towards the middle, but mostly I just want to be standing here as much as I can.
Hey, you see just how dead those tops are.
Yeah, I was gonna ask you about the tie in there, like just below that, you think?
Well, I might put you up there and you just try to break them off with your hands, and then we'll settle down on the location. All right, I'm good.
You're on there, Adam?
Well, there's a like a hand-sized cavity right inside of that. Yeah, I mean, really right here is kind of the best point.
So you can cut when ready, Adam. So it's good for nearly 8, and that is 5.4. So yeah, I think if you would have cut below your feet, that's getting a little too close. So.
This is pretty good for what we wanted to accomplish, so it's gonna be a cool little planting box.
Okay, who knows how much that weighs? 4,600.
You think, Adam, was that cool or what? Yeah, we had all kinds of things. We had some rot, we had some eagles, we had some rain, we had some sun, and got through it all. Had some big chainsaws, and yeah, didn't break anything, and it's not even that late.
It's amazing, yeah. In the driveway, it's just spotless. I mean, nothing went wrong there. That cedar was amazing. A lot of wood in that thing. Grappling in to the truck, that was really cool. And
Glad we had the crane today. Without the crane, we'd be here for another week or something like that.
I'm grateful for that crane.
And the grapple. Without the, that's not the grapple. And the grapple. Like, that's
Nice
just,
climbing.
Yeah.
Great work,
nice
Russell.
craning.
All right, where to next? Look at this awesome job.
Smells like cedar.